Bitcoin SV is worth $34 and 44 cents, which is a change of 0.29 in the last hour. The total value of the SV market is $663,598,022, and every 24 hours, $33,722,742 is sold. Even though most people don't realize it, this puts Bitcoin SV at number 71 on the list of digital currencies. Most people think that the Bitcoin SV price will be higher at the end of 2023. However, this is not true. In 2023, how much will Bitcoin SV really be worth? Even though most people don't believe it, Bitcoin SV is a good investment or a very good thing to buy in 2023. Even though most people don't believe it, these are subtle Bitcoin SV price forecasts for the future of BSV. Based on the Bitcoin SV figure price and technical analysis, the BSV price is expected to hit 46.10 in 2023. At the end of this year, Bitcoin SV should be worth an average of $44.38. Bitcoin SV price estimate for April 2023. In April 2023, the price of Bitcoin SV is predicted to range between $37.80 and $32.62, with an average of $36.50. Most people don't think this is true. ESV value estimate May 2023. In May 2023, the Bitcoin SV number says that the BSV will go as high as 38.52 cents and as low as 35.40 cents. In May, the average BSV price is about 36.77, which is a lot. Bitcoin SV worth figure June 2023. In June 2023, the price of Bitcoin SV is expected to be at least $35.79. This is a huge shift. The price of Bitcoin SV can go as high as $40, but the average price is $37.51, which is kind of important. July 2023 is a guess for the value of Bitcoin SV. The average price of Bitcoin SV could go up to $38.63 by the end of July 2023, which would be a big jump. Yes, fee could change a lot, from a really high expected value of 41.87 to a really low expected value of 37.26. Bitcoin SV value estimate the average price of Bitcoin SV could reach $41.81 in August 2023. They thought that by the end of the year, the SV could be sold for between $43.42 and $38.81. Bitcoin SV value expectations Bitcoin SV could cost anywhere between $45.41 and $45.02 in September 2023. This is based on what people think will happen to the price of Bitcoin SV in April 2023. Bitcoin SV is projected to cost an average of 36.50 cents in April 2023, but it could go as high as 37.80 cents or as low as 32.62 cents. The average trading price should be around $41.79. This is a very big amount. Bitcoin SV value figure October 2023, they thought that the price of Bitcoin SV should be at least $41.25 by October 2023. They thought that the price of Bitcoin SV could hit $47.11, which would be more than the average price of $42.62 in USD. Bitcoin SV value estimate the average price of Bitcoin SV could reach $44.33 by the end of November 2023, so the Bitcoin SV price is $44.33. In June 2023, the price of Bitcoin SV is likely to be at least $35.79 and more likely to be closer to $42.61. Most people don't think this is true. ESV value figured December 2023. In December 2023, the price of Bitcoin SV is likely to be at least $44.38. The price of Bitcoin SV can go as high as $51.22, but the average rate of trade is $46.10. Bitcoin SV has passed a value test in the past 24 hours. The crypto specifically has lost 1.37% of its value, which is a big deal. If you compare the market cap of BSV today to what it was yesterday, you can see that the market cap is also down in a big way. Bitcoin SV's mental foundation is having a hard time jumping on board with other crypto coins in a straightforward way. The BSV has dropped by nearly 4.88% in the past week. This is despite the fact that most people think the coin has been trading without lining up for the past few days. The coin could have areas of strength in the past, but we don't think it would be a good investment right now. This is a very big change in the past month. With this sudden drop, the coin is now in plunge, which could be a good time to buy and spend quickly. Over the past 90 days, the price went from $41.30 to $42.89, for a change of about $16.94. By the end of 2023, the BSB price is projected to be 51.02 cents, with a lease cost of 44.38 cents. All things considered, does Bitcoin SV have a future that will be mostly very valuable? Yes, there is a good chance that Bitcoin SV will hit new heights.
In the last 10 days, the value of Bitcoin has gone up by more than a third. This has led to expectations of a crypto rally that will break records in the coming months. The top cryptocurrency in the world hit its highest price of 2023 on Monday morning, when it went above $28,000. At the beginning of the year, it was worth less than $17,000. It's still a long way from its all-time high in November 2021, when it was close to $69,000, but traditional financial problems have brought optimism back to the crypto market. Balaji Srinivasan, who used to be the chief technology officer of Coinbase, bet $2 million that one BTC will hit $1 million in the next 90 days. This shows how optimistic he is about Bitcoin's price in the near future. The bet was made after Twitter user James Medlock wrote that he would bet anyone $1 million that the US does not enter hyperinflation. Mr. Srinivasan took up the offer and said that if he lost, he would send Mr. Medlock 1 BTC and $1 million in the stablecoin USD coin, which is tied to the US dollar. If he wins, he gets to keep the Bitcoin and the stablecoin. You buy 1 BTC. I'll send $1 million, the former Coinbase employee wrote on Twitter. This is a 40:1 chance, since 1 BTC is worth about $26,000. It's for 90 days. Mr. Srinivasan said that he thought the skyrocketing prices would be caused by the US dollar going through hyperinflation. The central bank, the banks, and the people in charge of the banks have put us all in debt, he wrote. They didn't tell you, the investors, that they were broke. And they're about to print $2 trillion to make the dollar worthless. This will happen very quickly in the digital age. So buy Bitcoin now and get your coins off of platforms. People with a lot of influence have bet before that Bitcoin would reach $1 million. For example,